Directed by Christian Paolo Lat. Starring Natalie Hart, Ren Escanio, Albi Casino, Shirley Fuentes, and Ivan Padilla. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the trailer to Akin Ka Lang. Background eh, di ba?
Tama.
Oh, yeah.
No? So bukod dyan, no? Meron ding intensity na dadali natin sa Viva Cafe stage. No? I think it's time to add some of that, to engender some of that here, a much needed spunk. Kaya wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's welcome to the stage the director of Akin Ka Lang, Christian Paolo Lat, together with the cast, Ren Escanio and Natalie Hart.
So for today, please say hi to our audience. Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi everybody! Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, sa mga friends namin sa press. Lahat na nandito kahit masama yung panahon, thank you for loving po.
Exactly.
Directed by none other than Sigrid Polon, starring Ali Bautista. Wow, plenty of fans, huh? Ali Bautista, James Blanco, Yayo Aguila, Cherie Bautista, Liz Gonzalez, Alex Bayan, and Carlene Aguilar. Let's play the trailer for Elisa, Batang Kabit.
Ayan, kami rin, excited na rin kami sa mga susunod na mangyari. Ang intense, no? Pero it happens kasi in real life eh.
It does.
Hindi ba? And mapaninindigan to for sure ng ating mga actors dito sa Viva. Kaya naman ngayon, let us call up the team behind Elisa, Batang Kabit. We have Direk Sigrid Polon, Abby Bautista, and James Blanco. Hello, good to see you again. Bati naman po kayo sa ating audience today.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po for coming kahit na maulan.
Hello guys, thank you for watching the trailer and thank you guys for coming tonight. Thank you po.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pumunta nyo. Kahit masama ang panahon, nandito po kayo. Magandang hapon.
Tama yan.
Really, that's how it's done.
I know, revenge drama naman yung genre nito.
Oh, trailer pa lang, ulam na. Kapanapanabig talaga, no? Now there's nothing better left to do kundi patungtungin ang personnel, ang cast and ang director ng Made for Revenge dito sa Viva Cafe stage. Direk Bobby Bonifacio, Rose Van Ginkel, and Cara Gonzalez.
Excited. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Again, my name is Rose Van Ginkel. Thank you so much for being here.
Direk, yes, please say hi. Yeah.
Ay, salamat po. Sana po supportahan natin ang Viva Movie Box, ang Made for Revenge at ang lahat ng mga local movies na handog namin dito.
Una-una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito kahit masama yung panahon. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa darating na episode namin. Thank you.
Hidden love story, Tale as Old as Time. Talagang kinababaliwan, mahilig na mahilig ang Pinoy audiences dito. And I feel like,
maraming makaka-relate.
exactly.
Diba?
Diba? Yeah. This next one will not disappoint. It dares to challenge the boundaries of love. Directed by Aya Topacio, starring Denise Esteban, Apple D, Alex Medina, and Akihiro Blanco. Let's watch Love Forbid.
Wow. Intriguing. Love Forbids. Okay, palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, the team behind Love Forbids. We have the director, of course, Direk Aya Topacio, Denise Esteban, and Apple D. Hi, ladies. How are you feeling today?
Hi, I'm feeling great and thank you everyone for coming. This is Apple D. Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta kahit na medyo masama ang panahon.
Magandang hapon po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and salamat sa support ng pinapakita ninyo ngayon.
Exactly. Syempre ba, I believe a lot of films have came out like this. So, ang susunod kasi is all about women empowerment.
Women empowerment.
Yes, women empowerment drama that explores heartbreak, healing, and finding strength. Directed by Izzy Ferrer, starring Meg Imperial, Mayton Eugenio, Zara Laksamana, Gucci Lorenzana, and Jean Kai. Ladies and gentlemen, I love the title, hindi ba? Mr. Sketch movie lang. Buti wala si Gucci, nangiinit yung tubo ko. Ang dami-dami babae ang gaganda pa. Di ba?
Grabe yun, di ba? Direct Easy Ferrer, Meg Imperial, Mayton Eugenio, and Zara Laksamana.
Guys!
Hi, everyone. So thank you for being here. Super na, ngayon lang namin napanood, so sana na-enjoy nyo siya.
Yes, hello, good afternoon. I'm Mayton Eugenio and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta dito despite the weather conditions that we have, and let's all have fun today. Good afternoon po.
Hello po, I'm Zara Laksamana. Ayan, thank you po sa pagpunta and I hope everyone is enjoying your event for tonight, for the day.
Ay, magandang hapon sa lahat. Sabi-sabi po natin, exciting tayo lahat para sa bagong platform which is Viva Movie Box. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yes, direct.
Dives into a gripping family drama. Wow, this one for sure will tug on the heartstrings. Ladies and gents, directed once again by Christian Paolo Lat, starring Raisa Sinon, Maui Taylor, Althea Ruedas, and Arnold Reyes. Sabay-sabay natin tunghayan ang
Bibigatin ng artista namin, hindi ba? Award-winning.
Award-winning, guys. Papanoorin talaga natin yan.
Exactly. Kaya naman, tawagin natin sila ngayon on stage. Birthday niya actually today. Si Direk Christian Paolo Lat, again, as a director of Kinagaw na Anak, together with cast Raisa Senon and Althea Ruedas.
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa time nyo na magpunta dito and sana supportahan nyo ang Viva Movie Box.
Hi po everyone! Thank you so much for joining us here and sana po ma-entertain po kayo.
Hello again everyone. Definitely support every single film. So yeah, thank you for coming tonight this afternoon.
Thank you. Family drama filled with secrets and surprising twists. Directed by Femi Abad, starring Luis de los Reyes, Andrea Babera, Lilette, and Jojo Abellana. Ladies and gentlemen, panoorin po natin, She's Not My Sister.
My sister.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed the scene drop of She's Not My Sister.
Scene drop na eh.
Oo.
Scene drop yung datingan. Follow on the cast of She's Not My Sister, Andrea Babera, and Luis de los Reyes. Hi!
Ladies?
Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Babiera. Thank you so much po for your time and effort na pumunta at supportahan po kami. We are very excited to share with you every microdrama na we have been preparing for the past months. Ayan. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagpunta. At sana po, pagkatapos po ng ating event today ay uwi po tayong safe lahat. Yung nakita niyo po, kagabi lang po namin yung tinapit. Kaya, nagpa-syndrome na po agad kami. Yung poster na po namin, 1 AM po namin yung pinicture. Kaya pasensya na po at muli maraming salamat po.
Alright, okay, let's have